Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about arbitrage trade opportunity. You can find this coin on CoinMarketCap to find this information I'm talking about. When you come to CoinMarketCap, then you need to find this coin called CoinWeb. After you find this coin, then you need to scroll down this overview. The second button beside this overview is market. The place you can buy this CoinWeb. So as you can see, you can buy this coin on Uniswap at 0.01963, and if you can see this Bitmart, you will be able to buy the same coin at 0.2212. So as at now, it's more profitable for you to buy on Uniswap than to sell on Bitmart exchange. So this kind of arbitrage mode strategy is higher risk, is take a lot of risk. So you don't just send this coin over to the exchange you want to sell this for profit. You need to send this to this exchange on time for you to be able to receive this token on the exchange you are sending it to, and sell it fast for change in price. So that's why I said this kind of mode strategy is more risk to it. Then make sure you do your own research to understand the whole process, and if you get value in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell.